this is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode, we have with us Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee, the sales strategist, is a business strategist, a registered startup mentor, and MSME consultant. It's going to be an interesting show. Please watch it till the end. Hello, this is Abhishek Sengupta. We are back with another episode of Knowledge Talks. Now, in this episode of Knowledge Talks, we have with us Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. Is a sales strategist, is a business strategist, and is a common face in many news channels and news shows. Apart from that, he is also a registered startup mentor and MSME consultant. He has helped many companies to overcome tough situations. He has helped many companies to plan their business strategies and, of course, the growth strategies. Mr. Bhattacharjee, welcome to our show.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thanks for the kind introduction.
Is this COVID and post-COVID time marks a shift towards massive digitalization. Now, bigger companies can easily do this. They have a digital, probably a social media team, a social media desk, digitalization desk. They have money, they have capital, they have manpower. But how smaller business with small manpower and little capital should plan and execute this shift? Over to you, sir.
See, there are many scope for small businesses in the digital space. So, number one, as I said, one has to be very open-minded in terms of automation and digital transformation. People say there are very little scope for small companies to automate or have things digital. But there is still a lot of scope actually. Let me tell you, there are many, let me segregate this as far as digital marketing is concerned and automation is concerned. There can be two ways of digitalization, as you mentioned. So there are a lot of new CRM is there, which costs very less. There are a lot of new platforms are there which help, like Slack and all. You can share your work, you can share your project online. And since work from home has happened, the entire team is very scattered at over the places geographically. So you need such tools which helps you monitor how exactly a particular team scattered over geography can perform work efficiently. So that is one way of automation. Virtually, you have to keep the team very united. Cross-cultural, cross-time zone work has increased. So you have to keep track of people working at different time zones, how much they are working, and project management, all these things you need to keep track. So there are many platforms. We all know one platform called HubSpot, which not only has got resources, but it has all the tools and for automations. HubSpot has a CRM. So there are many such tools actually. And then HubSpot has a complete 360-degree marketing platform also. So this is one tool which has just came to my mind. I think I'm shifting little away from the question you asked. So you asked me, small business, how exactly they can manage their digitalization automation, right?
True, right.
Right. So first of all, they have to actually go for very small business. I can say 2-3 people startup to a 100 people company. There are many tools available which just you look at the schools, how exactly they have transformed themselves in terms of online classes, and through mobile phone they are scanning documents and uploading. There are so many platforms that the kids already know how they can actually scan and upload documents, and they are giving their so online tests are happening, and there are so many edtech companies at this pandemic. They are doing so well, and they are all small, and they are all automated end to end. So I can tell you few tools for social media. Like traditionally there was Hootsuite, now there are $99. There are HubSpot, there is Infusionsoft. There are so many like tools in different areas, which traditional very long timer tool Yardley, but it has improvised itself. And for communication, as I was mentioning, MailChimp, Slack, and so many of them actually. And for digital marketing, measurement, and how exactly you're spending, Facebook has innovated all its platforms a lot, and it can put the right KPI at right places. And some of the Facebook tools are free, and Google has increased many tools which are free now. So small businesses can always use these tools, and for their digital marketing, measurement. And Ubersuggest is a great tool. Initial version is free. For sales and e-commerce, Printful, RecFox. There are so many tools which can measure your sales activity and output, and put KPI and can measure actually. So in all related areas, small business without spending much money can actually automate a lot of their work, and they can get result. And only that you have to understand. Key is the mindset. You have to figure out the areas to automate and how exactly you can measure, put the right KPIs, which is very important, and keep measuring and doing things. And every milestone you have to keep measuring and then go. It has become very crucial for small businesses. Keep measuring, put the right KPI, and go.
Well, I think that's amazing. Some of the amazing ideas which we got from you. First and foremost is that we have to change our mindset, that we should not get scared with the digitalization and everything. There are a lot of low-cost tools, or a lot of free tools are also available in the market, which the small businesses can easily avail, and they can automate. It's not always putting a huge sum of money or something. Basic is the mindset and using the right tool. I think that's something we got from you. It was a nice session with Mr. Kaushik Bhattacharjee. I personally extend my thanks to Mr. Bhattacharjee for taking out his time and coming to our show. I'll give the links in the description of this video, using which you can connect with Mr. Bhattacharya. But still, you can visit www.kaushikbhattacharya.com. I'll give the link in the description of the video as well. And if any of you would like to connect with him for any business strategy, sales strategy, digital media strategy, you are free to connect with him. And I'm sure all of you will get benefited with his advice and with his mentoring. That's all for today. Thank you so much once again. Stay tuned, stay connected. Have a great day.